What if I told you this entire train bridge is built with nothing but Kapla planks? Let's build it step by step. We start with the foundation, tall, sturdy pillars that will hold up the entire bridge. Each one is carefully placed, ensuring perfect alignment. This step is crucial because any instability here could mean disaster later. Both pillars follows the same pattern. The key is keeping them straight and evenly spaced. Now that the foundation is set, it's time to connect them. With the pillars ready, we now create the bridge span. These horizontal planks link each pillar, turning individual supports into one solid structure. Unlike traditional bridges that rely on bolts or cement, this one holds together purely through balance. Every piece adds strength, and weight distribution is key. Each section is carefully placed to avoid gaps or weak spots. To make the structure even stronger, we are adding trusses. These diagonal supports help distribute force and prevent the bridge from bending or collapsing. This technique is the same one used in real-world bridges. The triangular shapes give extra rigidity, making sure our bridge can hold weight without shifting. Each plank must be placed at the perfect angle. If a single piece is slightly off, the entire framework weakens. With the trusses locked in place, the bridge is nearly complete. But of course, no railway bridge is complete without tracks. Now, let's lay down the railway tracks, the final piece before we bring the train to life. Spacing is key. Too wide, and the train won't sit properly. Too narrow, and it could be unstable. With the rails in place, it's time for the grand finale, the train itself. Now for the most exciting part, the steam locomotive. We start with the wheels, carefully positioning planks to create the base of the train. Even though this locomotive won't be moving, the wheels add realism and balance to the structure. With the wheels in place, the foundation of the train takes shape. Each plank is stacked precisely to support the weight of the upper sections. Next, we build the boiler and the cabin, giving the locomotive its recognizable form. The boiler runs along the length, while the cabin stands tall at the back, just like a real steam engine. Now comes the final touch, the towering chimney. This iconic feature completes the build, making the locomotive look ready to roll. And there it is, a fully constructed steam locomotive, standing proudly atop the Kapla railway bridge. No glue, no connectors, just pure balance and precision. From the foundation to the locomotive, this entire build is held together by balance alone. It took time, patience, and precision, but the final result is worth it. What do you think? Could you build something like this? Thanks to everyone who's already subscribed, you're amazing. If you enjoyed this build, hit like and drop a comment. And if you're new here, subscribe for more epic Kapla creations. More builds are on the way, don't miss out.